Today we are putting the brand new iPhone 16 Pro up against the Nothing Phone 1 in a real world speed test. These are two very different phones, but we are about to see which one performs better when it comes to speed and multitasking. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the specs. The iPhone 16 Pro is running on iOS 18, powered by the A18 Bionic chip and has 8GB of RAM. It also features a 120Hz ProMotion display for ultra smooth performance and a sleek new camera control button. On the other hand, we have the Nothing Phone 1, an affordable yet innovative device. It's running Nothing OS 2.6 on top of Android 14, powered by the Snapdragon 778G Plus processor with 8GB of RAM, and the transparent back with those glyph light giving it a super unique design. Alright, both phones comes with a strong specs for their price points, but the real question is, how do they stack up in real world speed test? Let's find out. No apps running in the background. First up, Facebook. And the iPhone loads faster than the Nothing Phone. Snapchat, and again the iPhone. Now let's open settings, and again iPhone opens faster than the Nothing Phone. Calculator, again on the iPhone. Phone, again slightly faster than the Nothing Phone. Camera, both opens at the same time. Now the clock, slightly faster on the iPhone. TikTok, again on the iPhone 16 Pro. Let's open Prime Video. And here the Nothing Phone 1 is surprisingly faster. Opening Netflix. And the iPhone 16 Pro opens faster than the Nothing Phone. Instagram. And once again the iPhone loads a bit quicker. Now the X, and the Nothing Phone opens faster than the iPhone. PUBG Mobile. The iPhone opens way faster than the Nothing Phone. And now the Spotify. And again the iPhone 16 Pro is quicker. Now let's see if all the apps are still running in the background on both phones. Snapchat reloaded on the Nothing Phone. Prime Video also reloaded on the Nothing Phone. And also Netflix had to reload again on the Nothing Phone. There's a slight delay when reopening PUBG Mobile on the Nothing Phone. Spotify also reloaded on the Nothing Phone. So after running all the tests, it's clear that the iPhone Pro is faster overall, especially when it comes to gaming and app management. However, the Nothing Phone 1 holds its own, especially considering its price point. It performs well too, though there are very few slight reloads here and there. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.